Penny, what you doing? Are you eating some parrot paella? You got a messy beak. You got a messy beak. Oh goodness, is that so yummy? Is that so yummy? Is that good stuff? Yeah? You sure clean your bowl better than Prudence does. Such a pretty girl. I can't tell what's scab and what's food. You're too cute. Penny, Penny, Penny. Is that good stuff you're eating?